My name is Niklas Ekstedt and I'm a chef and restaurateur here in the capital of Sweden, Stockholm. So the dish I'm going to show you is one of our signature dishes here, and it's leeks that are cooked in the wood oven that we serve with bleak roe and pickled onions with that burnt cream. So the burnt leeks is the first thing we do in the morning when we get into the kitchen. So when we start the fire in the wood oven, we stick the leeks straight into the fire. So this is no light way, it's no soft way to treat your leeks. It's a tough and a lot of heat. And that burns the leek on the outside but cooks it on the inside. We cut the leek open and then take out the heart of the leek that's cooked, and then put that on a plate, and then we top that off with bleak roe, and bleak roe being the Nordic caviar. It's a small fish from northern Scandinavia, and then that needs a little bit of acidity, so there's some pickled onion on top and then some chives. So that's the side dish, with that being burnt cream. So it's just standard cream, which we add a bit of flaming birch wood down into the cream, and then 2 drops of vinegar, or it's ättika, being a strong Swedish vinegar. So that sets the cream and turns it into a soured cream which has the flavor of the burnt birch. Then a little bit of crispy potatoes and shaved smoked dried reindeer on top. So there you have the burnt leek with the bleak roe on top, chives, pickled onions, and then on the side the burnt cream with crispy potatoes and shaved reindeer.